Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can install and use Audacity on Windows 10. So that's been said, let's get started. Let me tell you, Audacity is a free and open source audio recording and editing software for Windows. For that, first open your browser and search for Audacity. Don't worry about the download link, you will get the download link in the description box. So just open the link from audacityteam.org. So this is the official website from where you can download Audacity. I had already told you that Audacity is a free and open source cross-platform audio software. With the help of Audacity, you can record your audio and even you can edit your audio. And also you get other extra features. Now to download, simply click on this download option. And here we have different download options. So here we have Audacity for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. So we are going to install and use it on Windows operating system. So we are going to download Audacity for Windows. So currently the latest version of Audacity is 2.4.2 and here we have the installer file, Audacity 2.4.2 installer. So from here simply download Audacity Windows installer file. It is 26 MB, so it will take some time to download. Let me complete the download process. Our download has been completed. Now just open the file. If you get any security warning on your Windows 10 computer, simply click on Run or Accept. So here we have the installer page where we have to select our language. So for now, just let me minimize the browser and here just select a language, then click on OK. So this is the setup window. Welcome to Audacity setup wizard. Simply click on Next. And here we have some license agreements. Simply click on Next. And this is the location where your Audacity is going to install. So if you want to change this location, you can change by clicking on this browse button, and from here you can browse your location. For now, let me keep it default, then click on Next. And here we have some additional tasks. So if you want to create a desktop shortcut, you can create a desktop shortcut. And after selecting all the additional tasks, simply click on Next. So here you can see this is our destination location where Audacity is going to install, and here we have selected some additional shortcuts. Then click on Install. It will take some time to install, so wait until the installation process complete. Here you can see we had successfully installed Audacity on our Windows 10 computer. So just simply click on Next. If you want to launch Audacity, you can simply check this box. For now, I'm just going to launch this Audacity software. So I'll just check this box and click on Finish. And here we have the Audacity shortcut. So if you want to access Audacity, you can use this shortcut. So this is the interface of Audacity software. Here you get all the required tools you need to record and edit your audio. So here we have all the options. So as you all know, this is pause button, play button, stop button, backward, forward and record button. And here we have other extra tools. So if you want to change your recording sound level, here we have the option. If you want to decrease and increase the volume of recording, then also we have the option. And from the drop down menu, you can select your recording device. And here we have channel option. One is mono and another one is stereo. And from here you can select your recording driver. Now let me show you how you can record audio on Audacity. For that, simply click on this record button and it will start recording your audio. After you had done with your recording, just click on this stop button. So this is the audio which we had recorded. Now using this Audacity software, you can even edit audio, such as you can remove background noise, you can level up the pitch, and you can normalize your audio. You have all the tools to edit your audio. Now let me show you some of the basic and important tools and settings you need to use while editing your audio on Audacity. First one, how you can remove background noise. Just identify your background noise and select that noise, then go to Effects. Then here you will find Noise Reduction tool. Simply click on Noise Reduction. From here you can get your profile and you can set up your noise reduction and sensitivity. For now, I'm just going to keep it default and click on Get Noise Profile. Now select the entire audio file, then click on Effects, and here you will find Repeat Noise Reduction, or you can use Ctrl R. This will remove all your background noise. Now to remove some empty part, you can select that empty part, then click on this cut option. So this will remove your empty part. For now, let me remove this part, and here also let me remove this part. Similarly, you can also remove other empty part. So this is the audio file. Now let me show you how you can level up your audio. For that, select the entire audio file, click on effects, then go to limiter. So here we have limiter. Here simply select soft limiter. So you can increase or decrease the limit. So let me change it to 4. You can get your preview and click on OK. Now if you want to use hard limiter, then similarly go to effects, limiter, and here select hard limit. And from here you can manipulate some of the settings and you can get your preview. When you are done, simply click on OK. Now let me show you how you can level up your audio. For that, select the entire audio file, then click on effects, and here you will find normalize option. Simply click on normalize, and here simply click on OK. So this way you can level up your audio. If you want to add some effects like fade out, fade in, echo, you can add all of this feature using Audacity. So this is the basic interface and a basic guide how you can record and edit audio using Audacity. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.